All right.
Cool. All right.
Yeah. Okay. So I got a question from somebody I forgot, and then it's got a while too.
It's been a minute.
Yeah.
Welcome back,
So
Tapo.
you're talking about some dynamic waves. Like a wave will make it a dynamic, and then float. Okay. So wave have a concept. Like a normal waves, you're coming in and then out. Right, that's the kind of pretty much the rule for the waving. So you put them in there and then drop and out. Right, so the combinations to try to make it bigger, then like bigger like this, pretty much, right? Or like all the way out. So we use a lean idea that you can try to reach to the far side and then bring them over, and then you lean towards the other side, and then you put them in the waves. Right. Then come back up, boom, boom, boom. Here to this point, you lean towards that way, then that wave out. Right. So you started this, boom.
Boom, boom, and then
So the shoulder point, like here you can do two ways. Like here, kind of sneaky
lean, and then
out, or you go this
Stop.
point, you stop here, then
and then go, and
pick it
then
up.
finish the wave.
Then
Okay.
of course you could switch it this to start it here, the elbow point to move. You can do that way too.
So you can lean back wherever.
Right.
essentially.
Then so that the lean control, you can make it reach out more. So that's like one of them part. So this is pretty much a side to side. Make it little dynamic, little wave, just doing like this. Right?
Yeah.
So you get to go right here. Boom. So this is side to side. So we can go do the up and down things. So up and down, you can do like this, of course, but this one's kind of hard to catch up in the waves to bring in too. So you doing this, the heads, just like over a little
You
bit.
just lift your hand up.
Then you drop them off. Make sure you lower, but the arm has to be a fixed point like this.
Ah.
Right. Then they drop them off and go all the way bottom and come back up to. You have to use that
Whoa.
bigger and drop them out.
Dang.
So you can do up and down cover. Right.
Oh, okay.
Then another ones are your bottom stronger or upper part stronger. So you're doing like a alarm move, put them in the wave till you can lean still, to wider, to bring them over, and put them inside like that. Spiral ideas. So that one's going out. Coming in like this.
Oh, shit.
So I got this and out.
Dang.
Boom. Right. Yeah.
Whoa. So you're also stepping too. It's like you're taking big steps to
But
move your
still,
wave.
Still like this, covered this area, because on this side, it still works, but not much dynamic.
Right.
So you can do this
When
to
you cross
bring
over
cross
or go
over.
forward. Oh.
Of course, you can just kick it. No, they kick it out and they step it in.
Oh.
And then catch up.
And then catch up, do that.
Wave.
I've seen that before. Okay. Wait.
Right. So that's another one. And then we are starting like a touch wave ideas to bring in right now. So I got over it. So this is like a little dynamic than just this. Like a really touchy waves.
Oh, when your hand's closer?
Yeah, so touchy waves, or your far side a little bit. Like
You
this
make
much
it far?
and then this. And
Makes
then
it
going
look
to
a little
the
bit more
up,
dynamic.
And then down, bottom.
Yeah.
Even your body wave is just like a touch wave, like trace. You put them in, or your outer a distance with a special dispute to bring them over, or you bring them over. Like this.
So the farther the hand, the more dynamic.
Yeah, it looks more dynamic to pick it up. What? Like this, not like this.
All right, don't touch it.
Yeah, not like a touchy.
Guess you can, but
Yeah. So that concept you can combine. So top waves and then down waves. You can mix me like a top, bottom, top. It's like this.
oh, that's fucking
Yeah. You just point. You pick it up like this point, this point, this point. You pick it up. So like between that area, you can go up and down.
wow.
So like this, down. I got down, pick it up, down, pick it up, and then body the same thing. You go down. Pull it out. This, put them in, and then out.
Out in, but the hand does so much. It makes it. The
body
illusion.
wave is pretty much the same.
Same thing.
But the hands
is doing it, making it look.
It looks like extra.
Wow. It's a secret right there.
Yeah. So you bring in this kind of ideas, but you can do. Because you tick to it and go boom, 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 boom.
Dang.
Or you like a push ideas.
Right. Yeah. Cha 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 cha.
Yeah, you chopped it.
Cha cha
push.
cha 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 cha. Dang, you can do so much. That's all cyborging.
You
That's a
can do,
whole.
yeah, this is part of a cyborg move.
Wow.
Yeah. Pretty much
about,
kind of that things and a spiral.
Spirals, okay. Yeah.
So spiral ideas like this to bring in and then spiral out. So idea of the old man half circle.
No.
Yeah.
Half circle, okay.
Half circle. So like half circle, and then half circle and half circle. And you can put your bigger this half circle out, bring more over, then come in this way, do like a half circle again.
Whoa.
Started the foot.
This
boom.
I'm not too.
Right.
Oh, how the? Like that?
Yeah, kind of like this.
Okay. I'm just spinning now.
Yeah. Spins another like a spiral idea.
Spiral idea. It's just deeper.
Damn, I think the music's too loud, no?
No. Music too loud.
Alright.
Alright, back to it.
Okay. So now mix to the footwork.
Okay.
So wavy footwork have two ideas to pretty much step to the steps, a little higher. Or we call the compass move. Spin. So higher ones you can do this kind of things too. You make it a higher step, like a higher step. Come back, or you can kick it. This, but that's still higher step.
Okay.
Variation of the higher step. And another ones are like around the compass move. So you are doing it. This kind of like a boogaloo roll type ideas, but still spiral.
Okay. Okay.
So you can mix all that.
You getting pretty dynamic.
Yeah. And then of course you can put in ticking and then speed change.
Yeah,
whatever you want.
So you get some textures and that dynamicness. Yes.
Alright, it's cool. Yeah. Alright.